friends, welcome to Fun Friday video. Today we're going to make all kinds of activities with things that you find outside right now. Look at these beautiful leaves I found in my backyard. Pine cone. Look at this big leaf. It's a brown leaf. Look how beautiful that is. You can do all kinds of things with everything that you see outside. Look, I made a brush out of needles, pine needles.
Some materials you will need for this Fun Friday activity: paper, paint, scissors, marker, glue, and a stencil of a circle. Pause the video here and go outside with your adult to look for nature items to use for this activity. Remember, adults, please help your little ones stay safe when using the scissors.
I have a stencil here that an adult can help you make a stencil. You place it down on the paper and you trace it. Just a circle, a big circle, little circle, however you want. You pick it up, you use your scissors, be safe. You cut it, you follow the line. The one that you trace, a big circle. You pump them up, down, up, down. Round and around. And then to make the circle inside, like this one, you fold it in half. And then that trace that you made in the little circle here, you cut it out, see? And then if you have some glue sticks, or just glue, white glue, clear glue, any kind of glue you have at home. And you can use all these leaves that you found outside and place some glue of all the different colors of leaves that you found. Little leaves, maple leaves, oak leaves. Look at this one. Look at this one. Isn't it beautiful? Put a leaf here. All these beautiful yellow, orange. You see all kinds of leaves outside right now. Purple leaves. Look at this bright orange. It's kind of a burgundy color. The dried up ones are good too. Look at this big leaf. There's little leaves, big leaves. See the little one? This one's darker green. What did we make? Oops, we gotta let it dry a little bit. Let's see. After it dries, you're gonna have a leaf wreath. See? It's got to dry for a little bit. You got to let it set for a little bit, okay? See? It's a leaf wreath. Okay? And another thing you can do, see how I trace these leaves? See? You can paint them with a brush. With the pine needles. Specks. And there's orange. You just press the brush down. they look just like these here. See the leaves outside. We made a wreath and we made leaves of our own. It's just paint. And then you can cut them out. After they dry, you cut them out. See? And just follow your tracing. And if you need help from an adult, they can help you and teach you how to use the scissors. See? And once they dry, you can place them with some Scotch tape, place them on the window. Or you can even use Scotch tape and place these beautiful leaves too on the window. There's all kinds of things you can do with just things that you'll find outside. Right now, fall weather is the best. That's my favorite. Which season is your favorite? And you can do all kinds of things. Remember with the pine cone? See? You can use these as specs. You don't even need brushes. You can use what you find outside, see? You can color, use markers. These are the colors of the fall. Brown, red, green, yellow, and orange.
If you gather extra leaves, you can put them in a picture frame and display somewhere in your house like this.
It's beautiful out there. In the morning, it's a little chilly, but at afternoon time, at 12, 1, it's so warm. It's so nice. Maybe we can have a picnic one of these days outside. I'm glad you joined me, boys and girls. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. I wish you well.